Isang araw na lang ang meron ako.
Pwede ka bang sabihin sa akin, Caroline Chiu, hindi Melanie?
Yes, I do. Si Manong Ibe, nandito siya. Nandito si Manong Ibe.
Nandito ako sa lugar na sinabi mo. Di ba sinabi ko naman sa'yo? Hindi ako titigil hanggang di natin nakukuha yung dalawa.
May kasabot po si Manong Ibe. Ang problema, hindi po namin alam kung sino.
Let's trap Manong Ibe. Sasabihin mo kina Auntie Cindy, Auntie Gina, Ahia and Diha na makikipagkita kayo sa amin ni Bingo.
Ang hindi nila alam, magkakaibang lugar ang sasabihin niyo sa bawat isa sa kanila. Magkikita muna kami sa rest house, Ate Paul.
Tagaytay?
Binondo? Sa Pampanga?
One person, one location. Kung saan dumating si Manong Ibe, kung kanino niyo sabihin ng lugar na pinuntahan niya, iyon ang kasabot niya. Thank you. You think darating siya? Isa sa pamilya ko yung kasabot ni Manong Ibe.
Sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam. Pero sana nga hindi, di ba? Kasi alam ko kung gaano ka nasasaktan.
I'm sorry, mahal. Instead na masaya tayo, ito pa yun.
Isipin mo na lang. Practice to.
What?
Practice. Practice kung paano natin hahanapin yung konting saya. Kahit may problema tayo.
At mas matangkad pa sa akin yung problema.
Basta nandito ako. Habang nandito ako, magkahawak kamay tayo sa lahat ng bad trip. Lahat. At hanggat kaya ko, gagawin ko ang lahat para tulungan ka. I love you.
I love you, mahal.
Pupi, papunta na ako dyan, okay? Don't worry, safe sila sa akin. It's just me. At ilagay mo lang dyan, okay? I just really need to make bawi. You know, I want to apologize. Kaya nagpagawa ako ng mga favorite fish udang ni Caroline. I'll see you, bye. Oh, shoot. Archie.
Okay?
Yeah, I have to go. Bye.
Wait, where are you going? Hindi mo ba sasama yung security mo?
I can drive, okay? Bye!
Irene, sinabi ni Papa na delikado para sa atin na lumabas. And are you gonna meet that Snoop guy?
Yes, I'm gonna meet that Snoop guy. And hindi mo kami mapipigilan just like what you're doing with Caroline and Bingo.
Yan ba talaga yung tingin mo sa akin? When all I want is what's best for this family. Natatakot lang ako para sa'yo. I mean, this is the first time that you're really in love. And you know what? I'm hoping na mahal ka talaga ng Snoop.
Yes, actually, mahal niya ako and you don't need to worry about that.
But isn't he friends with Bingo? Pagkakatiwalaan ba yun?
Mapabuti silang tao, ate. Just believe me.
Well, I guess I better meet Snoop.
Now?
Yes. Pupuntahan mo siya, di ba?
Yeah, but
And he's with Bingo and Caroline?
you know what? Next time, Archie, okay? Okay, I have to go. Bye. Hey, Archie. Why?
Maybe because nakakita ko kung gaano ka-affected si Papa sa lahat na nangyayari. And maybe because I've been feeling really guilty. I haven't been a good sister to you. Caroline.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
But Irene, I just want you to know that I'll always be your Archie. Go. And just tell Caroline that I really wish them sila ni Nico.
Wait. I think it's about time na maging okay kayo ni Caroline. Let's go. Sama ka na sa akin.
Sasama mo ko?
Yes. Archie. Please, this is top secret, okay?
You know what? Wag na. It's okay. Really, wag na.
No. Come with me. With all that's happening kay Caroline, our presence will be a big difference. You know, yung forever dalawang witch sa buhay niya, biglang supportive of her. It's gonna be a big surprise. She's gonna appreciate it. Okay? Come with me.
Yeah, you're right.
Right? Okay, let's go.
Ah, wait, yung power bank ko.
Shut up! Paano na kasi Caroline na pakaka dyan?
May nakabantay na tao na si Colonel sa bawat location sa sinabi ko. And Gilbert will be arrested immediately sakali magpakita siya. Sir, alas 12 sinabi niyo, di ba? Makikitain niyo kami ni Ling. Alas 12.
Okay.
Ling, alam ko mahirap. Pero kailangan harapin. Kailangan.
Actually, can you get the other bag? Please get the other bag.
Okay, yeah.
Hey. Hey, Manong, let Bingo and Caroline know that we're here.
Hey ma'am, bawal po.
What? It's me. It's us. We're sisters. Walang bawal-bawal ko. Tell her na.
Eh, wala nga pumili si Ma'am Caroline.
Malamang kasi surprise. Go, tell her na.
Irene, let's just go.
Actually, it's Caroline. Of course, pag nalaman niya nandito tayo, papapasukan niya tayo. Wait, ang coffee na nga lang.
You know what? Maybe they're just being extra careful.
Of course, because of that weird Gilbert guy.
Irene, sige na next time na lang. Si Dichi?
Surprise! Andito kami ni Achi.
Wait, nandito kayo?
Okay, I know. Don't get mad. I made Colette to Snoop. I just really wanted to apologize to you and Bingo. Plus, hey, I brought food and your favorite fish ulam.
Wait, nandito kayo ni Achi?
Diba? Biggest surprise, diba? Wait, it's so hard to explain. Can you please let us in na lang? Ang init. Oh.